Hi all, I hadn't intended to do a video, but just a quick one. So there's a debate about sound missing in the 15th Doctor's Tardis, which is the one on right flashing, and the one on the left is the original fourth Doctor's FX Tardis from Forbidden Planet. Now, a certain YouTuber says this had originally 4, and this is missing 1. So I don't think it's missing 1, but even if it is, I don't think it's a problem. But I'll let you decide. So let's have a listen. You tell me what you hear. So there's no like flight control or like that. So take off by lifting it up, as always. And then landing. Now we go to 15s. Now that sounds like a lot longer, and somebody said it should have improved it by this time. I think they have. And let's look. Listen, this sounds a lot longer. Oh, I wonder how that could be possible. Honestly, some people will moan at anything. Now I'm all for criticising when criticism is fair. This is nitpicking. So I'll try and activate them together. It's not going to be a blinking well easy. And there you go. You get the idea anyway.